Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my skincare range, which is Look Gorgeous skincare range. It's all homemade, handmade products, and I have assured to make the best quality products possible. They have 6 months shelf life as well. They are extremely affordable, and also they are made of natural ingredients. They are paraben free, they are chemical free, so they are really natural, and obviously they are cruelty free as well. And the packaging is simple, normal, not something very extremely amazing. It's a simple homemade kind of packaging, but the products are definitely made with love and best quality natural ingredients to assure the quality, and so that you guys love the quality. And definitely, but a patch test is recommended with every product. I have got amazing reviews from my customers. I have used these personally. I love these a lot, so I'll just give you a brief about all the products that I have one by one. So the first up that I have is Look Gorgeous face pack. This is 100 grams of product. It is made of dal, chawal, multani mitti and besan. That's gram flour, rice, lentil, fuller's earth. So all of these ingredients are great for your skin. They help in skin lightening as well. They help in getting rid of blemishes as well. They're great for your skin. They're great for your pimples as well. You just need to use this face pack twice in a week and apply it on your wet face. You can mix it with curd if you have oily skin. You can mix it with milk if you have dry skin. You can mix it with water or curd if you have a normal skin. So here's that, and this product is for 100 rupees. It is for 100 grams, so it's really affordable. Then the next step that I have is scrub pack for blemishes and pigmentation. So this is an Ayurvedic blend of herbs. It the main ingredients which it has is a licorice. Licorice is muletti, which is great for your dark circles, blemishes, pigmentation. So it's definitely a great product for your dark circles, blemishes and all. And the other three main ingredients that it has are haldi. It has that turmeric, which is great for your skin, not that kitchen turmeric, but the turmeric which is specially made for your skin. And also it has chandan powder. It has sandalwood powder, and that sandalwood is not that regular white sandalwood. It is red sandalwood powder, which is definitely great for your skin. And also it has amla in it, and this blend is great in Ayurvedic. So all you need to do is just take a little bit on your hand and mix it with some aloe vera gel, any store-bought aloe vera gel. I love Patanjali aloe vera gel. And then apply it on your face. Scrub it nicely, beautifully, gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Then keep it on your face for 7 to 10 minutes and then wash off. That's it. And if you want to use pack and scrub together, and you can do the whole facial thing as well. Like there are facial oil, there is a facial cream, then there is a scrub, then there is a pack for you. Then after you are done with your facial, you can just apply your cream and then go with your under eye circles cream. So there are all the products which you need for your facial as well. Anyways, the next product that I have is Look Gorgeous serum. It is available in 3 sizes. This one is 100 ml for 400 rupees, 275 for 50 ml, and then 150 rupees for 25 ml. So 25 ml is good for 1 month. Then this one is for 2 months. This one is for 4 months. So you can use it once in a day or otherwise twice in a day. Obviously twice in a day is recommended. After face wash, you have to apply this serum and you're good to go. It's really great for your skincare. It helps in getting rid of blemishes and acne completely. Also it has aloe vera gel, it has rose, it has tea tree oil extract in it. So it is antibacterial as well. And then it has carrot extract, cucumber extract, all beautiful natural ingredients. Then this is the most sold out product from my skincare range, definitely, because it's extremely affordable and the people are having amazingly great results with this. So here's that. Then if you have a lot of acne, then you should go for this one. This is 10 rupees costlier than this one. It is available in 3 sizes again. It has neem oil and tea tree oil extra in it and in extra quantities. So all of these products smell beautiful and nice, especially the serum is beautiful, otherwise the products have that Ayurvedic smell to them. Then we have this under eye and a glow serum. This is an under eye cream. Basically it has rose in it, it has almond in it, it has then aloe vera gel in it, it has vitamin E, it has aloe vera oil in it. So it's great for your under eyes, and also if you have dry skin, it is a great product to give your skin a glow and just making the skin beautiful and glowing from within. And the next is Rose Gold Illuminator from Look Gorgeous. So this is not a skincare product, it is a makeup product. Obviously just apply a little bit of this before your makeup on your full face. It acts as a primer and it will give a beautiful nice glow to your face when your makeup is done. You can also use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones, bridge of nose, and your like highlighted areas, and you will get that amazing glow. Like it has amazing beautiful glow to it. So this is how it looks like. It blends in the skin nicely. It is not at all chunky. It has very fine shimmer particles. It gives a beautiful champagne gold, rose gold color. Then the last but not the least, the best products, and one more is there. There is a Look Gorgeous primer available as well, which is missing in this video. That primer is for 100 rupees for 25 ml. That has sunscreen as well, and there is 60 rupees primer available which do not have sunscreen, but obviously the primer with sunscreen is recommended. And then the last but not the least, my favorite products. This is a customized gold elixir for your skin type. Like if you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, if you have combination skin, if you have sensitive skin, if you have normal skin, like any kind of skin type, I'm gonna make it specially for you. It is gonna be a complete customized product. You will know the ingredients, you will know the recipe in a video soon, so don't worry. Everything is gonna be like very mirror like, so you will know what goes inside it. So it comes in a beautiful dropper glass bottle packaging like this. This one is for 15 ml and this one is 30 ml. So 15 ml products are usually 30 ml facial oil is usually for rupees 550, and then we have 15 ml facial oil which is for rupees 350 approximately, and depending on your skin type, price can vary a little bit. And there is one anti-blemish and anti-acne facial oil for all skin types, which is the best one for sure, but definitely you can go for the one which is specially made for your skin type. So this one is made of pure argan oil for my oily skin type, for very oily skin type, and this one is the most costly product out of all. This is for 500 rupees for only 15 ml, and this is how it beautiful it has frankincense essential oil, it has sandalwood essential oil, it has gold leaves in it. It is the real edible gold. Then it has cinnamon essential oil, then it has cedarwood, then it has sweet orange. So the one which has sweet orange, that can be used only at the night time. Look at it, how beautiful it is, because sweet orange is that photosensitive product, so you can only use it at night time, otherwise it's not good for your skin. But for night time it is great for your skin. It just helps in getting rid of all the pigmentation. It helps in moisturizing the face beautifully. It just makes the skin very soft, supple, tight. It is anti-wrinkle, anti-acne, anti-blemishes. It gives a beautiful glow. It has a beautiful fragrance of cinnamon and sandalwood. So it's a great product. It does not make your skin oily in any way. None of the facial oils make your skin oily. They just make the skin beautiful, moisturize. They go into the skin deeply and make the skin really nice and beautiful, soft and supple. And the other ones, the customized oils, are great for your morning skincare routine and for your night skincare routine as well. Just 2 to 3 drops and you're good to go, and you can do your makeup with it as well. The one which is not for night, you can use 1 to 2 drops while you apply your foundation, like that for Sali Gold Elixir, and you will love your makeup after that. Your makeup will never turn cakey in any ways. And if in case you want to use all of these skincare products products, like you want to buy the whole set, then how you can use them for your skincare: first, wash off your face really well, then do this scrub thing for 10 minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes scrubbing, and then 5 to 7 minutes as a pack, then wash it off, then apply this face pack thing, leave on for 10 minutes, wash off, then carry on with your Look Gorgeous serum, or you can use anti-acne and blemish it depending on your skin type. And after that, apply this under eye and glow serum on your under eyes, and your morning skincare is all done. If you want to include facial oil, then you can include the facial oil before this Look Gorgeous serum, white one, and at night time you can just wash off your face with a nice face wash and apply 2 to 3 drops of facial oil, and you're good to go. And you can also follow up with this Look Gorgeous white serum and also this under eye cream, and your skin will start glowing. You will get rid of all the acne, you will get rid of all the wrinkles. Your skin is you are gonna love your skin. All acne, blemishes will be gone in a month or two. Just follow the skincare routine forever, and you will love your skin, and you will thank me for that. And if you want to buy all of these products or any of these, just check the description down there. All the details are down there. You can buy through WhatsApp me. You can pay by Paytm or by bank transfer, and I will ship the products to you by courier service. There is no cash on delivery service available currently. I'm sorry about that, but anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. If in case you guys like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and watch more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you want any individual review on any of these products, then let me know in the comments down below. I would love to make individual review as well for you guys.